Meaning of examinee.
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 Examinee. Examinee refers to a person who is taking an examination or test. The results of the examination may indicate the examinee's level of proficiency in a particular subject or field, such as academic knowledge, language skills, or vocational competencies. The success or failure of the examinee in the examination may also have significant consequences, such as admission to a school, employment opportunities, or professional certifications. Therefore, it is important for the examinee to prepare appropriately for the examination and demonstrate their abilities to achieve a favorable outcome.